So today we'll be discussing about business for workflows. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for app marketplace here. Search for business for workflows. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts, or you can choose them all like that. Will give you the option to enable automatic future installation. But for the time being, we will be just choosing our specific sub account, that is location one. Continue with that, allow and install. Here we go. Next step will be moving forward towards the agency level. It is loading at the moment. The next step will be moving forward towards the sub account on which we have installed business for workflows. Choose that location on which we have installed. Here we are. Fine for the automations now. Just create a workflow. Start from scratch. Here we are in our workflow builder. Let's just check on what actions business for workflows are providing to us. These are the actions. You can create a business, get business, update business, and delete business. Let's just create a business. Let's just name it test to set an example for the time being. Enter the phone number. It must be correct and in the correct format. Description, the email, and name the city. Save this action. And now we'll be testing our workflows. As you can see, just a moment. Yeah, it has been executed successfully now. It is that simpler and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.